Welcome back. In this video, we'll set up a database that will be used for the Flask API. So the first thing we have to do is let's activate our virtual environment. If it is not activated yet, I will just go. Alright, so we need to install Flask SQL Alchemy. So we have to install Flask SQL Alchemy because that is the ORM that will be used to communicate with the database. So after Flask SQL Alchemy has been installed, you can go ahead and create a model. Create a model from scratch. So before that, let's open another terminal and create the database here. So remember our command PSQL, the user will continue with the same user we have been using, which is student. Then let's just go to the default database, which is Postgres. So we have this. It asks for the password, then you input your password. And the one we'll be using in this course is student. So when it gets here, you can create a database. Now I have included a file here to set up the database. So drop if exists, then create the database, then assign it to the user that we are using. So just copy this and paste it here. Then press enter. So let's see. Drop database, create database, plan, alter role and alter role. So the database has been created. The next thing we are going to do is, since the database has been created successfully, we'll have to connect our app to the database. So how do we connect our app to the database? Just like we did in the previous video, we're going to have something like this. App.py. So we have SQL Alchemy database URI. So we open our quotation, so we go SQL, then the user is student. Enter the user colon, then we enter the password, student at local port. And remember the default port, or if you change your port, the default port is 5.3. Plant DB. So the first thing is Postgres SQL, the second thing is the user, then followed by the password, then localhost. It should all be in lowercase. The localhost. So that is how we connect our app to the database. So the next thing we have to do is to go to our models and actually create the models. And the first thing we need to do is to import Flask SQL Alchemy. So the next thing we are going to do is to create a database variable and assign it to this class. So now we have the database. So go back to our app and import it. So we have from models, import DB. So after we import the DB, then we can initialize the database. db.init app. And before we end this video, let's do one more thing, because in the next video we are going to write out the models, the tables, the columns and the rows that will be in the database. But before we end this video, let's just do one more thing, because it's going to be a quick line. So we are going to populate the database. I'm going to drop the link to this file here, plant.py. So we'll use this file to populate the database with some values already. Since we have already created the database, so what we just have to do is make sure the file is in this directory, the same directory here. So we have PSQL, should remember the user, that P, put in the name of the database, then we have -f and put in the name of the file. Let it be in this format, then press enter. If you ask for password, input the password. Then if you get something like this, alter table, then you know that it is the sources. So let's go back to our database, let's open it. Let's open the video. Okay, so you can just check for the table details. We have plants here. So let's check the details of that plant table that we have. So let's start from plant. Now we can see we already have 12 plants there. We have 12 plants. We have the ID, we have the name, scientific name. If it's poisonous, this is a poison, true or false. Then the primary color of the plant. So in the next video, we are going to write a model based on this ID, name, scientific name, poisonous, primary color. We are going to write it in our models file.